James Sweeney, NYFP for Societe Generale. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets continuing to trade lower overnight, this time with Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the downside 1.5%. At the same time, Korea's Kospi index that was down 0.1%. The major European markets this morning also trailing across the board, led by the DAX down 0.9%. And in the United States, U.S. stock futures were looking for a steady open. The Dow Jones is on the upside, just under 27 points. Now, gold and oil prices are both up again as the commodity markets continue to digest whether and how a U.S. strike on Syria would indeed play out. Gold prices climbing 0.3% to over $1,424 an ounce, while London-based Brent crude contracts hit $115 a barrel. Meanwhile, in currency news, the Forex markets, the Indian rupee continued its unprecedented plunge overnight, this time hitting 68.75 rupees against the U.S. dollar as fallout from a grain spending bill, worries over U.S. Fed tapering, and economic sluggishness in the nation has continued to keep investors on the edge. Meanwhile, the New York Times website this morning is continuing to be down for many users after getting hacked by pro-Assad group Syrian Electronic Army. And lastly, Japanese utility company TEPCO has said that it actually found the contaminated water storage tank, the leak itself, announced on August 19th back in July. And as expected, Japan's nuclear regulator upgraded the severity of the situation at the failed nuclear plant to a level 3, meaning that there is a potential for non-lethal but substantial